Today we launch the technical pilot for the program, and our citizens need to fully understand the process involved in rolling out a system of this magnitude. We have put in place a framework to protect the data collected under the NIDS. We have embedded into law serious consequences for data breaches. Most importantly, however, the NIDS is subject to the Data Protection Act. I must also stress the importance of consent, where the individual must give permission for their identity to be verified. And that is a first in our jurisdiction. We will be rolling out the NIDS in various phases. Today is phase 1. And this is where we will have the technical pilot rollout, after which we will commence a national rollout all across Jamaica, in all parishes. In parallel, work is proceeding to establish the National Identification and Registration Authority, NIRA, which will manage the NIDS. The technical pilot is a very important phase, and today we launch a process to test drive all the processes and subsystems that we have been developing in the last 3 years. During the pilot, it is of significance that we will move to obtain the International Civil Aviation Organization's, the ICAO certification. The Jamaica National Identification Card will therefore follow the international standards for digital identity enacted by ICAO. The NIDS program has partnered with various ministries, departments, and agencies. One such is Jamaica Post. Under the project, spaces within various post offices will be modernized and transformed into enrollment centers. The NIDS and Jamaica Post will work closely together, demonstrating how joined-up government and strong partnership between MDAs can deliver service and value for citizens. We are pleased that we are receiving calls and emails from the public who are eager to enroll, which is a good sign, as many Jamaicans would like not only an ID, that is their physical card, but they also recognize the importance of a digital ID. Now, the card itself is made from a polycarbonate material, and the information we collect will be engraved and digitally stored on the card. There are also several security features on the card to prevent duplication or misuse. From the law that guides the design of the card, to the databases and the encryption of data, to the monitoring and oversight of the authority, to the functionality of the system, there are various levels of embedded security. And I want to stress that we have gone over and beyond what is required to ensure that we have one of the safest, most secure systems in the world that is protecting your data and ensuring that the system is robust, your privacy is protected, but that it delivers the functionality that you require. We understand in this day and age how very important it is to protect data.